And I'm Kari, and come along with us for our annual Christmas parade. Alright everyone, we are getting ready for our annual Christmas parade here in our town. It goes down Main Street and it happens the first Saturday every December. Yes, so our school this year will be participating. We participated in the past with our school. Some years we've watched the parade, but all the different companies, schools, churches, dance teams can all participate in this parade. So we have to get the float ready to be part of the parade, and this year's theme is Disney. So we're going to show you guys what we're getting ready to do to get ready for the parade, and then we'll take you along at the parade when it's parade time. And our slogan is the most magical daycare, and all of our participants will be just random Disney characters of their choosing. Yes, so we all will dress up as Disney characters, throw some candy, and we're gonna make our float right now. Yeah. Okay, so our maintenance man and DJ helped make this board here, and we're gonna have it on the back of the float. So we've got our handy dandy projector here, and we're gonna go ahead and trace out a castle design for our Disney float, and then they'll cut it out and we'll paint it and we'll have it all ready for the float. Yes, and just to show you size, it is very big. It's big, and it's thick too, so it's pretty heavy. Yeah, it's really heavy, sturdy. So hopefully we'll get this going, and we're gonna go ahead and start tracing the castle. This is the fun part. We're going to size everything. Yeah, so we're just setting up here. Ta-da! Got some curtains on the window so we can see the image better in a minute. Okay, you guys, so they just cut out our castle, and here's what it's looking like so far. And I think it looks pretty good. So now we just have to get it painted and everything, and then we'll be all set for the parade. Alright everyone, we're back at school. As you can see, our castle is laying down. We had to dry it out, and it had gotten wet outside. It fell over outside. So we had to flatten it back out, let it dry. The top parts were bowing in like this way. So it's been a few days. We've let it dry. We were just kind of cleaning some dirt off of the wood, and now we're ready to paint, and here we go. Here is an update on the castle. We are just using the paint that we have. We have acrylic white and black paint. We're just mixing it to make the gray. And we had some dark blue paint, and we are mixing some white to make it a little bit lighter. And this is what we have so far. It might need a second coat, but it is what it is. We're trying to do this very cheaply. Is that a word? Yes. And just use what we've got. So this is what we have so far. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, and there's our castle. We have blue, gray, and a little bit of pink. We just kept it simple. It's just going down a street for the parade. Okay, and on to the next thing for the parade. Okay, so for the parade, we do have a Disney theme, so our staff is supposed to be dressing up as different Disney characters to go along with our float for the parade. So DJ's gonna be Bruno, and Kimi is going to be Peppa from Encanto. So she's got a dress here, she has a headband, and she made this umbrella that she can put over, and she had lights on it, like the cloud for Peppa. Alright. And then for me, I was going to keep going with the Encanto theme and be Dolores with this red skirt, white top, and a red headband. And one of Kimi's co-workers is going to be Luisa. But I also was torn between doing Aurora or Briar Rose because she's my favorite. So I got the white top, a black tank top, this pretty gray skirt. I've got this purple fabric to put over my shoulders like she does in the movie. We also throw candy during the parade, and she has a basket. So I got a basket to hold, and I have the owl to go with it. So out of these two costumes, I think I'm going to go with Briar Rose because the costume looks better. This one didn't look so good on me, so I think I'm going to return that one. But we should have enough Encanto characters with Kimi, DJ, and her other assistant. So those are our characters that we're going to dress up for the parade. And other staff members will dress up as other Disney characters. And since one of our co-workers is going to be Luisa from Encanto, I traced out a donkey for her so we can color it and put it on cardboard or something, and she can hold it through the parade like she's carrying a donkey like in Encanto. We were going to do a stuffed animal or something, but we couldn't find a stuffed animal donkey for her, so we're just going to do the paper one, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, good morning. It's the morning of the parade. So we are here early, of course, and we're about to go decorate the rest of the float. And I'm cold, so I'm not quite in my costume yet. And Kari's inside getting some things, and I got the decorations out. We went to Hobby Lobby, got some decorations. Okay, it's parade day, and we're just getting the back of the trailer ready here. The castle got put up yesterday, and we're decorating with the tinsel. Okay, there's the castle. They had to like zip tie and strap it up to make it hold, but there it is, and we've got the pink and the gold. Okay, so we're still the only ones here, and DJ went to get duct tape, but that's what we're going for. We found this pretty pink and gold garland and a table runner, tablecloth thing, I don't know what you call it, the frilly stuff. And we have one side almost done, but we're waiting on duct tape. Alright, so we have about an hour until parade time. We are number 18 in the lineup, so we're just waiting here for about an hour to get it started, and took our group pictures and just waiting for the parade to start. Alright, so there's Kimi and DJ as Bruno and Peppa for their costumes. And my thundercloud. And Kimi's cloud. And there's Kari's outfit with Aurora, and she has her basket for the candy and the owl. Yeah, we attached them there so we had room for the candy. And everyone's just getting lined up for the parade. Okay, the parade has started, but we're gonna start throwing candy now. Alright, that's gonna do it for the parade. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, travelers.